Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? ReVoN here, and welcome to another tutorial. In this 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to make a lower third sliding animation in Adobe Premiere. What we're going to achieve today is we're going to appear over here with a sliding animation, Simba the lion. And with this technique, you can do all sorts of lower third animations. You can also make like a subtitle, which will be his job function. I don't know what Simba is. Is he king of the jungle, king of the desert? I don't know what he is, but you can put it over there. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we want is actually put in the text. So we're gonna click over here and type Simba the lion. And it's all pretty thick font, so we're gonna change the lion to slightly thinner font, and we're gonna position it a little bit lower around here. Cool. The next part is actually making the sliding animation. We're going to start at the end of the composition. We're going to add a color matte, hit OK, choose a dark gray color, hit OK, and we're going to add the color matte above the text, which is important. And then we're going to make it a bit thinner by unchecking this box, the uniform scale, uncheck it and change the scale to 1. And then we're also going to make it a bit smaller around the size of the text, and we're going to position it right in front of the text. Here we go. So the next thing actually we're going to do is sliding it from left to right, and with a little effect we're going to make it appear. So we're going to go to effects, go to video effects, go to transition and linear wipe. I'm going to add it to the color. We're going to put the wipe angle to -90, and we're going to animate the transition completion. So we're first going to put it to 100 so it disappears, and a couple frames later, let's say 7 frames later, we're going to put it back to 0, which pretty much does it make it appear, which we want. Now we're going to make it slide from left to right, so we're going to animate the position, and let's say around 1:30 around, yes, we're going to slide it all the way over here, and we want the slider to also disappear, so we're going to add a keyframe, go a couple frames back, say around here. Now what? Yes, we're going to make another keyframe, and with the last one we're going to put it back to 100. So what we got is that the slider also disappears. So next part we have to make is animate the text with the slider. So we're going to go to the text, we're going to add a rectangle, and we're going to put the rectangle over the text with the beginning and changing the anchor points so we've got the entire text covered. And here we go. So at the beginning we want it to appear around here, and at 1:30 we want it to be full, so we're going to add a keyframe at 1:30. Here we go. With the mask path, we're going to click the little animation icon, and at the beginning, so that will be around here, we're going to change it. We're going to go over here and we're going to slide it all the way to the left around here, and then we're pretty much done. So let's see what we got. A little bit over the time, but you will see the result. It will look pretty cool. So Simba the lion, here we go. You could tweak it a little bit with this technique. You could put another one below it for king of what is Simba? Is he king of the jungle? No, that's King Kong, right? I don't know what he is. Just a badass lion. You can put it underneath it. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.
Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If not, refresh it, give it another chance. Got questions? Just ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.